Hi guys, so today I decided to clean my fridge and take out all the ingredients that's not gonna last me another week, and I will be making, using all the ingredients that I have, spicy stir-fried beef with asparagus. Now this recipe is super easy to make, it's really good, packed in umami, high in protein, and yeah. So I've got a bunch of ingredients here. I'm just gonna share with you guys. I've got some minced beef and some soft tofu that I've cubed. Of course, my asparagus. And here I've got my aromatics. I've got chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped shallots, the stalk of my spring onion that I've sliced. I'm gonna saute all of these together. This one I'm going to add later, the spring onion, the green part of the spring onion. And I've got oyster mushroom that I've chopped. You don't have to use mushrooms if you like. If you don't like mushrooms, you can use other type of mushrooms. You can use shiitake, you can use king oyster, you can use shimeji, you can even use button mushroom. It's completely up to you. And I've got fresh chilli that I've pounded. I've got some oyster sauce, and to balance the flavor out, I've got some honey, and I will also be adding some salt, some coarse black pepper, and some Sichuan pepper, just for that nice heat at the end. Alright, so I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna heat some oil. So if you guys don't have asparagus, you can also try this recipe on its own with no greens, or you can do it with, I've done it with bok choy. You can use even wild fern, paku pake, so you can use that as well. That would be really, really delicious. Okay, now my oil is hot. I am going to saute my garlic, ginger, shallots, and my spring onion stock. I'm gonna saute this for about a minute until it's nice and fragrant. It is nice and it smells so good now. So I am going to add my grounded chili. There we go. I'm not using dry chili paste, I'm using fresh chili because I want that nice sweetness of the chili. That fresh chili paste. Nice and fragrant now. I am going to add my minced beef. There we go. And we're going to mix it up and let it cook. So I'm going to stir it until it's a little bit dry. I'm going to season it with some salt now. You can see the juice from the beef coming out, so I want that to sort of dry up a little bit. A little bit of salt now. Let it cook a little bit more. And I am going to pound my black pepper and my Sichuan pepper. Keep an eye on this. There we go. Sichuan pepper. So my pepper's done and my beef is nice and dry now. So I'm gonna add my oyster sauce now. There we go. And just mix it up. I'm gonna add some water. Added some water in my oyster sauce bowl so I didn't waste anything. Beautiful. I'm gonna add my mushroom now. And my tofu. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Now, gonna let it simmer for a while. I'm gonna add the pepper just now. My Sichuan pepper and my black pepper. Gonna quick mix. I'm gonna throw in my asparagus now. So this is gonna take about 3 minutes to cook. Just gonna mix it up. And if it gets a bit too dry, you can always add a little bit more water. I'm gonna balance this out with some honey. Mix it. Oh, that looks so good, guys. Look at it cooking away. Alright, my asparagus are nice and soft. It's perfectly cooked. So I've added about half a cup of water just now. And you can see it looks a bit watery at the moment. But I've got some cornstarch mixed with water. Just gonna add this because I want it to be saucy. There we go. Mix and let the cornstarch cook properly. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna add the rest of my spring onion. Alright, and we're done. Ooh. It's amazing. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my god. So good. So flavorful. Super easy to make. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna make this again. So I'm gonna dish it out now. Look at that. Oh. Look at how beautiful that is. Ooh. Alright, so I've garnished it with some fresh coriander. It smells so good, it tastes so delicious, and it's super easy to make. So I hope you guys will try this recipe, and of course, jumpa makan guys!